Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by cosine x on numerator and denominator. So the next one we have tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. So we need to change tan x, that is about this one and this one. Cosine x multiplied by this one and we have cosine x plus sine x. This one we have cosine x minus sine x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x minus sine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative sine x and negative cosine x dx. This one we have positive and positive, so we put negative and negative go outside. So we have negative du equals to sine x plus cosine x dx. Next, this one we change for u. This one with dx we change for negative du. So the integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.